What's going on, guys? This is my 2024 Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2.0. I just put an exhaust on it about a week ago, and I went with the Madness Autoworks Monza exhaust system, and I absolutely love it. I just wanted to make a video / review on it because when I was doing my research and debating on which exhaust system I want to go with, there wasn't that many videos on it, so I just wanted to make my own and kind of help anybody with their decision. So I'm gonna give you a cold start right now. I'm in northern New Jersey. It's about 28 degrees out. Car's been sitting overnight, so you're gonna hear the true cold start. So here we go. So it's been about like 5 minutes now, and it does die down after the cold start, just to let you guys know. Once it starts to warm up, that loud idling sound, it does knock down quite a bit, so it's not too bad. But this is about 5 minutes of it just warming up, and yeah, it sounds great in my opinion. All right, so we're in the cabin. I'm gonna drive around town and give you some sounds so you guys can hear what it hears like in the cabin. I'm gonna leave it in natural mode and drive. This is my everyday driving to work, basically. You can throw it into manual, and if you have paddle shifters and just use natural mode, you can get a good experience with that. Obviously, if you throw it into dynamic mode, this is where you're going to get your most sporty feel for the exhaust and the car itself. But for right now, we're just going to leave it in natural mode, drive, and again, just driving around town, and just so you can kind of hear the sound of the exhaust in the cabin with the windows up. So throw it in manual mode for you guys, and see if we can get a little bit of excitement here. Yeah, so that sound is just, for me, it's amazing. I mean, and it's better in dynamic mode for sure. Those burps. But see, when you're in manual mode and you're just riding out the gears, it sounds so much better. Alright, so we're going to do a little highway driving for you guys. I'm going to get it up to like 65, 80, just so you can hear what it sounds like on the highway. Again, we're in natural mode, just drive, casual driving. it kind of like settles down when you're kind of cruising around 70. If we get it up to 80. So it's really not that bad, honestly, because the car obviously is now in probably 8th gear by now, so the tone is much lower in the higher gears. Whereas if you have it in manual mode and you're riding out 6th or 5th gear, you're gonna hear the exhaust, and But this is just an idea of what it's like if you're just casually driving every day, and then you want to enjoy the car and throw it into manual mode and play around with the dynamic mode or even neutral mode. But just so you guys have an idea of what highway driving is like. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped. Again, I just wanted to make a video and a review to help you guys decide which exhaust you want to go with. Because when I was searching on YouTube for videos and clips and sounds and stuff, there really wasn't that much out there besides the video from Madness Autoworks themselves, which is a good video, so go check that out on YouTube. And again, I'm happy with it. I love it. Shout out to Madness Autoworks. This is a great product. Shout out to Randy over at Madness Autoworks. We talked on the phone for 30 minutes or so, and we were just talking, exhaust or intakes, tunes, and etc. So he did give me some education about the two exhausts, about the Lusso and the Monza, because that's the two that they sell, that they make. The only difference is the Lusso has the resonator and the Monza doesn't. So he said to me, if it gets too loud or it's just too loud in general over time and you're tired of it, you could just take it to a local muffler shop or exhaust shop and they can add a resonator in. But for me personally, I'm not going to do that. I love that deep sound, and it just brings out the life of the car and it adds character to the car. So I'm very happy. So shout out to them. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can go and buy this exhaust, but I highly recommend calling Madness Autoworks and ask for Randy. So shout out Randy. Again, 10 out of 10, very happy. This is the first modification I did to the car. The next is probably going to be an intake, so I'll probably make a video on that as well. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really hope it helped you make your decision on which exhaust you want to go with. And yeah, appreciate for watching. Thank you so much, and take care. Peace.